So my wife took my Tahoe this morning because, as usual, she left the car on empty. So you know what that means? She's gonna be paying to fill up my gas tanks today. She gonna learn today. So I picked up a job today, and the lady says she doesn't want to pay. That's my mom. Freeloader. I didn't mix my batch before I came, so I'm doing it over here. That way I can throw the jugs away in her trash can. Alright, battery's hooked up. Yes, we have power. Alright, let's do this. It's always dirtier than I realize. This is actually going to make a better video than what I was expecting. It's my mom's driveway. Made it dirty. They're going to be good. Yeah, buddy. Yes, sir. You can see what I mean about small things adding up real quick. It took me a second. All right, guys. It's all finished here. This one actually was way dirtier than what I was expecting. I'm not doing a post-treatment on it. These non-paying customers don't get stuff. Yeah, that's my mom's, and it's really clean. So I did a lot of extra pre-treatment. Dang it, that looks like crap now. I'll have to get a broom. Anyways, this was super dirty. I'm pretty happy. This is going to turn out to be a good video. But everything's up. Normally for this one, I would have charged, just because there's no sidewalk, it's a easy curb, 150 bucks. No problem. It was like a 20-25 minute drive. If I had to do that, I'd probably say 200. Easy job. Yeah, look how clean that curb is. Yeah, boy. Should have even cleaned that off since she left me the empty car. I did this, I always do this just because it makes it look good. And then, oh snap. Look at that douchebag maneuver. Keep it clean, y'all.